Item performs exactly as expected. It seems to cook hotter than a usual oven, so I typically reduce the temperature slightly and keep an eye on the timing. Air fryer function works great too. This little unit is awesome. My whole family love it. My 11-year-old son toasts his waffles and bakes his pancakes on a stick. My 15-year-old daughter has mastered air-fried, grilled cheese sandwiches, and I have used almost all features. So glad I picked this one. It's great for all ages. So far, the oven seems to be doing what I hoped it would. Cooked a beef and a pork roast. Air-fried a few things. All good. A non-stick tray would be nice. The accompanying knife and cutting board set is top-notch. Love this thing. It cooks quicker than expected, which is nice. Learn your heat and learn your oven. Convection and air fry are awesome. I really like the size of this air fryer. I can cook about 20 wings at a time. It has several different cooking modes, so it is very versatile. My only downside is the fan only blows from top and requires some foods to be flipped to complete browning. Click link in description for more reviews.